As we come to the close of our beautiful journey through Sikkim, we just have to pause and appreciate the vibrant spirits of this smiling shade. The limbo dance we witnessed today was not just a performance, it was a celebration of tradition, rhythm, and community. Here are ready to travel the moving. Let's head to one of India's coolest and culturally rich states, Andhra Pradesh.
Absolutely, Tuhin. Andhra Pradesh is where tradition meets strength. From long coastlines along the Bay of Bengal to green fields and historic temples, the state has it all.
And let's talk culture, Minsha. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kuchipudi dance, ancient temples like Tirupati, and heritage that's deep, proud, and powerful.
True that, Tuhin. And the food, spicy, flavorful, and unforgettable. From Andhra meals to mouth-watering pickles, it's a vibe.
The main language here is Telugu, often called the Italian of the East because of its smooth and musical flow.
Adding to it, Andhra Pradesh is growing fast in education, agriculture, and technology, while still staying rooted in its culture. So yes, Andhra Pradesh isn't just a state, it's an experience.
And now let's get ready for what's coming next on stage.
పట్నమంతా నీ కంటగడతనే మా పాలమూరి పంచవన్న